In 2026, BYD only needs 3 models to challenge Toyota, Kia, and Tesla at the same time. Number 3. Stop scrolling. Because this SUV just broke the rules of fuel, range, and price all at the same time. An SUV that can travel 1,500 kilometers on one tank and one charge, while costing less than many entry-level cars. This isn't hype. This isn't marketing. This is the 2027 BYD Song Plus DMI, and it's about to make traditional hybrids look outdated. Here's the part most people won't tell you. This SUV runs on BYD's 5th-generation DMI hybrid system, a setup designed not for performance numbers on paper, but for real-world driving where efficiency actually matters. At its core is a 1.5-liter Atkinson cycle engine, producing 74 kilowatts, but that's only half the story. An electric motor adds 160 kilowatts, delivering instant response, smooth acceleration, and a driving feel that's closer to an EV than a regular hybrid. And now comes the number that changes everything. When the battery is depleted, fuel consumption drops to just 3.9 liters per 100 kilometers. Let that sink in. Fill the 60-liter fuel tank, fully charge the battery, and this SUV can travel up to 1,500 kilometers without stopping. That's not efficiency, that's freedom. No charging anxiety, no route planning, no compromises. But range alone doesn't explain why this car matters. The real secret is BYD's Blade battery. Using lithium iron phosphate chemistry, it eliminates thermal runaway risks, dramatically improves safety, and offers a lifespan designed to outlast the vehicle itself. BYD didn't just improve battery tech, they redefined what safe electrification looks like. Step inside, and the focus shifts to technology. A 15.6-inch rotating display runs BYD's latest intelligent system with fast connectivity, smart voice control, and navigation that stays visible without distractions. Everything feels modern, intuitive, and calm. Built for long drives, not gimmicks. Even the suspension tells a bigger story. A 4-link rear independent setup delivers ride comfort that rivals far more expensive European SUVs without carrying a premium badge price. And that brings us to the shocker. Pricing starts at around $18,000. Comparable hybrids from established brands? Easily double that or more. So here's the real question. If one SUV can offer EV-like driving, extreme range, high safety, and a price that undercuts the market, is the future of mobility really full electric, or is this smarter hybrid approach the solution no one can ignore anymore? Number 2. Forget the badge for a second. Forget the price tag you expect, because what you're about to see doesn't play by Porsche's rules anymore. This is the 2027 BYD Denza Z9 GT, a car that looks like a 6-figure Super GT, moves like a high-performance sports machine, and yet shocks everyone with what it actually costs. And that's exactly why it's dangerous. One glance is enough to feel it. Low, wide, aggressive. The front end doesn't ask for attention, it demands it. Sharp LED lighting, a sleek aerodynamic nose, and massive air intakes built with purpose, not decoration. This isn't soft luxury, this is confidence on wheels. Move to the side, and things get even interesting. That long, flowing roofline blends coupe elegance with real GT practicality. It looks European, it feels exotic, and yet it's designed to be used every single day. Flush handles, frameless doors, wide wheels. Everything whispers performance without screaming. But here's where curiosity kicks in, because cars that look like this usually come with serious compromises. Step inside, and that assumption completely collapses. The cabin feels like a flagship. Multiple high-resolution screens wrap around the driver, a cockpit that feels futuristic, premium, and focused. Soft materials, refined stitching, ambient lighting. this doesn't feel like a value product at all. Even the seats balance aggressive support with real long-distance comfort. And surprisingly, there's space, real space, front and rear, something cars in this performance category often forget. Now let's talk about the part that really makes established brands nervous: performance. The Denza Z9 GT is expected to use a high-output electrified setup with multiple motors and all-wheel drive. Instant torque, explosive acceleration, smooth, relentless power delivery that doesn't fade when you push harder. It launches hard and just keeps pulling. Thanks to its low center of gravity and advanced suspension, it stays planted through corners, comfortable when cruising, focused when driven hard. That rare balance most performance cars promise but rarely deliver. Charging is fast, range is usable, technology works quietly in the background instead of overwhelming you. And suddenly, a scary thought appears. If a car can deliver this level of design, luxury, technology, and performance without demanding a six-figure budget, what exactly are we still paying extra for? Because this isn't just a new car, it's a reality check. So here's the real question. In a world where performance and luxury are no longer exclusive to legacy brands, does the badge still matter as much as it used to? Number 1. Stop scrolling, because the pickup truck kings just got challenged hard. Not by another diesel, not by a facelift, but a hybrid pickup with brutal torque, full-size towing, and technology the old guards weren't ready for. This is the 2026 BYD Shark 6, and it's not here to compete, it's here to replace. Now look at it for a second. The Shark 6 doesn't try to blend in. The front stance is wide, aggressive, and unapologetic. A bold fascia, partially closed for aerodynamics, flows into ultra-slim LED lighting that feels more like a high-tech visor than a traditional truck face. Even standing still, it looks powerful, like it's already loaded and ready to pull. But here's the interesting part. This design isn't just about looking tough. Every surface, every opening is shaped to manage airflow and cooling for a hybrid system working underneath. That's something most diesel pickups never had to think about. Move to the side, and the proportions tell a clear story. Long wheelbase, high ground clearance, strong shoulder lines running straight to the tailgate. It looks planted, muscular, and modern at the same time. The flared arches and clean door surfaces give it a work-ready presence, but the aerodynamic mirrors and wheels quietly remind you this truck is built for efficiency too. And now here's a question worth thinking about. When was the last time a pickup tried to save fuel without looking weak? At the rear, the Shark 6 finishes strong. A full-width LED taillight strip gives it instant recognition at night. The tailgate is wide, functional, and built for real use, with integrated steps and tie-downs that make loading easier. No fake toughness, no unnecessary chrome, just a clean, modern workhorse. Now step inside, because this is where everything changes. This cabin doesn't feel like a traditional pickup at all. It feels closer to a premium SUV. A large central touchscreen controls navigation, media, climate, and hybrid system data. A digital driver display keeps everything clear and readable. The layout is simple, modern, and surprisingly refined. Materials feel solid. Seats are wide and supportive, designed for long hours behind the wheel. And the rear seats, they actually feel usable, not like an afterthought. This is a truck built for work days and family life. But technology is where the gap really opens. Wireless smartphone integration, multiple fast charging ports, wireless charging, 360-degree cameras, advanced driver assistance systems working quietly in the background. Here's the uncomfortable truth for old-school pickups. You don't get this level of tech without jumping trims or price brackets. Now let's talk about what really matters: power. Under the hood sits BYD's advanced DMI hybrid system paired with a turbo engine, and this is where diesel starts feeling slow. The electric motor delivers instant torque the moment you touch the pedal. No waiting, no spool up, just immediate pulling power. Towing capacity, 3,500 kilograms, right there with the Hilux and Ranger. But here's the difference. It does it smoother, quieter, and far more efficiently. Short trips, it can drive on electric power alone.
Job sites? Quiet starts, zero drama. Long distances? No charging anxiety. The engine supports the system automatically, and off-road, advanced traction systems, smart torque distribution, and multiple terrain modes keep it stable where traditional trucks start to struggle. The battery placement lowers the center of gravity, improving control on rough ground. So let's be honest for a moment. This isn't just another pickup launch. This is a warning shot. More torque, more technology, better efficiency, equal towing, all wrapped in a modern package that makes old diesel platforms feel tired. So here's the real question. If a hybrid pickup can do the job better and smarter, is diesel toughness still king? Or is this the beginning of a completely new pickup era?